Leo's brave adventure. How he found his way back. Leo and his dad were having a great day at the park, running around and playing on the swings and slides. But then, a beautiful butterfly caught Leo's eye, and he started following it without realizing he was going too far. When Leo looked around, he couldn't see his dad anywhere. He felt a little scared, but then he remembered something his dad always told him. Leo remembered his dad's first rule: stay calm and don't move around. So, he took a deep breath and stayed near the park bench. Next, Leo knew what to do: ask a trusted adult for help. He spotted a park security officer and asked for help, just like his dad had told him.
Excuse me, can you help me find my dad?
Leo waited patiently with the park officer, knowing his dad would soon come looking for him. Soon enough, Leo's dad arrived, running to the security office with a big smile, so happy to see Leo safe.
I'm so proud of you, Leo. You did everything just right.
Leo's dad told him how proud he was, explaining that by following the important rules, Leo stayed safe. Together, they walked back to enjoy the park. Leo learned a valuable lesson that day. Always stay calm, follow what you've learned, and stay with a trusted adult if you ever get lost.
I'll always stay close to you, Dad.